Jolly kids, let's learn different shapes with different colors. First, heart shape with red color. Red color, heart shape. Heart shape, red color. Heart 1, 2, 3. Red color, heart 3. 4. Red color, heart. Heart shape, red color. Now, sky color, circle. Circle 1 with sky color. Circle 2 with sky color. Circle 3, sky color. Sky color, circle 3. Now, star. Light yellow color. Star. Light yellow color. 1, 2, 3 stars. Now orange color, oval. Number 1, oval shape with orange color. Orange color, oval. 4 ovals with orange color. Green color, triangle. Dark green color, triangle. Triangle, green color. 1, then 2 and 3. 3 triangle. Purple color, square. Shape square with purple color. 3 squares with purple color. Purple color, square. Square, purple color. Last, square, purple color. Next, 2 octagon. Shape octagon with blue color. And 1 hexagon with blue color. 2 octagon and 1 hexagon with blue color. Octagon, blue color. Last of all, pentagon with yellow color. Pentagon with yellow color. So, today we learn heart shape, star shape, oval, circle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon and square. And also triangle.